Did you know you're living in one of the best places to live? Money Magazine ranks Missouri City 21st on its 100 Best Places to Live in America list. Residents are sounding off on why Missouri City is a great place to live.
I lived here for 3 years. It's pretty good so far. I love staying here because people are so nice.
It's a nice community, it's loving, fun, and it's good to be here.
Of all the nice people that I have met since we moved here 8 years ago, and we think it's just a good place to meet people and fellowship with people.
I think the city's safe, and the subdivisions are nice.
I have lots of wonderful memories associated with Missouri City. I raised my son here. All the fun times we had with the Quail Valley Little League and the Soccer Association.
Everything's close. It's just, and it's not too busy, but yet it's has everything.
The pools are great, the workout facility is wonderful, and just in general, just the friendliness of the community and the streets, and we live right across from the golf course is right there, and all those kind of things.
Great neighborhoods, a bunch of good restaurants, and everything's pretty convenient. A great place to live.